Oh, I'm gonna make one of these neon Christmas light strings. Big Clive mentioned something about neon phosphor indicators with a sinister phosphor glow, so found these on eBay and I just had to have some. Make a little string of lights out of them. See what they look like. There we go. Start up my iron. Already made a little test string of these and got all the parts together. Should definitely go watch his video on this, because yeah. This is not going to be the greatest. Got 20 of them in total. Mostly because there's 5 different colors and I wanted a fairly long string, so 4 sets of each. Ends up at about 20 lights. Oh, looks a little weird. If you're wondering why the resistor is going the wrong way, the things I got from my light string are a little short. You can definitely tell these are a dead strand because they've rusted up a bit. See how this goes together. The alligator clip is sort of to protect the neon. I would almost just want to hold that and solder it, but don't want it to get, oh no, don't want it to get too hot. Let's try this other one. That one's kind of messed up. Oh, yeah, this one's a little better, I guess. Maybe not. There we go. That's that one. And I got, what are these? 82K resistors, and then 100K for the little red, I guess it calls them. Even though I think they're more of a orangey color. The traditional neon. Oh no, that'll work, I guess. Just together a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Well, not perfect, but good enough. This is probably going to take quite a while, so I'm probably going to fast forward at some point. Then it'll just end with them lit, hopefully, or me with fewer fingers. Hopefully not. Okay, there's all those done. One set. It should be blue, yellow, green, white, and then regular neon orange, or whatever you want to call it. Dead to sleep. And these should fit most of the way under there. Yeah. At least past the solder point. Ah, oh. Hopefully they don't come apart, because that would not be fun to try and solder back. Well, it's pretty close though. Pretty much what I want to do start with the first one. Actually, I probably should cut them both at the same time, since they're going to be a little shorter than that. I also have a little thing of flux here, because I don't want that, that little point to poke through. So this should, oh, maybe not. Oh man, it didn't work. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Okay. And after that, I get one of my little thingies. Ah. Force them out. I have cleaned these off, but the rust, I guess, is pretty much an integral part of it now. So I'm going to just do like that. Put a little bit of heat shrink on there, like so. A little bit. There we go. Nice and hot. And bend the resistor so it's going in the right direction. Nip that one off. Super close. And put a wire on it. Dang it. Flux usually helps with that, but not always. Then, should be able to take this larger tube. I don't have enough clear for them all, but enough for a few, because I don't want to cover up any of the glass, but you use what you got. So there we go. One bulb. I should probably mention I'm going to have to alternate between going to the resistor or the bulb, because the wires end up kind of different lengths. For this test piece I made, it looks nice, but when you pull it, one of the wires is always, it seems a lot longer, but in reality it's only slightly longer than the other one. Cut and go to the end now. Alright, there we go. All assembled and lit up. Turn the lights off. They look pretty nice. Nice little set of Christmas lights. They don't get warm. Just nice and ominous. I really like how they turned out. I like the green and the blue. If you look at the ends of them, you can even see the little poles for the neon inside of there. Let's see if you can see that. A little green one. Yeah. It's probably not going to focus on that. Pretty cool. The orange and the yellow and the red look almost exactly the same, but good enough. Pretty cool.